Hi, I'm Afton. Welcome back to my channel. Super excited you're here. I'm really excited about this look today. This is the first of several Halloween tutorials that I'm going to do. So basically what's happening is I showed my kids my inspirational ideas, the pics that I found that were kind of feeding my soul. And they chose this particular look for me to do, and I'm really excited to give it a go. As with any artistic anything, sometimes things go wrong. Don't judge too harshly. I'm just gonna start with that. What I'm trying to say is there's always a way to fix something that happens in art, so let's roll with it. We're gonna be doing the iconic half and half face, but a new spin on it that I'm seeing a lot of. We're gonna glam out this side, and then we're going to glam and make it all different on the other side. So we'll see what happens.
Okay, so first you're going to go in with the Lava Shimmer Shadow Sense, blend that out in your upper lid and on your brow bone as well as underneath your eye. This is your transition shade. And then follow that up with the Bandana Shimmer Shadow Sense. This is going to give you the depth and warmth that you need for this particular eye look. Blend that out really well into your Lava Shimmer as well as underneath your eye area. Next up is the Onyx Shadow Sense. Put this all over your lid area. This is going to give you that smoked out look. Add a few layers of it to give you that really deep, rich black color that I am going after. And make sure you go underneath your eye area and blend really well so you don't have any harsh lines. So then go in with the Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. This gives the illusion that your eyes are a little farther apart and nice and wide awake. Followed up with the Candlelight Shadow Sense for concealer. It's just wonderful. Blend that out really well. I usually finish that up with my foundation brush. Here I'm using the Truffle Foundation color for my contour. It is probably one of my favorites to use. Next I chose the Terracotta Blush Sense. It's a really pretty coral color. I always finish blending with my foundation brush and then go in with the Bronze Dust as a nice final touch.
Okay, so aside from eyelashes and lips, this side is done.
Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
So start with using the Candlelight Shadow Sense.
Okay, I did that side backwards. I should have put this on first.
But I didn't, so...
Now we're putting it on first.
So then just blend it out and now go in with that Seafoam Shimmer Shadow Sense, and I am actually creating the outline of the shadow of where I'm going to be having my look start. So Seafoam Shimmer is also going all over my eyelid and under eye area, similar to what we did with the other eye. Now go in with the Palm Glitter Shadow Sense, and here I'm just starting with putting it in the crease of that eye to give it more depth. Go underneath the eye, and then I'm going to follow up with placing that and blending that really well over where I put the Seafoam Shimmer. You'll see I will start to create the depth in this particular look, and it's just going to be a lot of blending, and I will kind of skip through some parts here and there just to kind of speed the process up, or we'd be here forever. So next up I'm gonna add the Turquoise Shadow Sense, and as you can see it's just gonna go ahead and get a lot more rich in color with this whole skull look. I've blended that all over the same areas, creating more of a shadow effect. As you can see a lot more clear here, it is definitely turning into a very contoured skull face, so you can kind of see where those lines are going to be, but make sure you're just really blending those colors all out and add that turquoise shimmer to your eyelid area. We're creating that really beautiful depth for this side, and then you're gonna go in with the Onyx Shadow Sense just like we did on the other side. Kind of pack it on and just make sure that you blend it out really well once you get the area covered that you would like to have. So I am actually getting more of a kind of cat eye look with these, and I'm also blending that black line out with the same blue brush that I was using previously, and then just go underneath your eye area and then go in with that Sandstone Pro Shimmer like we did on the other side. So we are going to create the skeleton's nostrils right now using the Onyx Shadow Sense. These don't have to be perfect because you're going to kind of cover them up in a way. So just make sure you get the outline of it and fill it in. We're going to go in with the Seafoam Shimmer, that first blue that we used, and we're going to kind of blend out those lines of the black nostrils just to give it more of a shaded effect. I went in with the Turquoise Shadow Sense again after that just to add more layering to it and more depth. Also make sure to blend that blue right down around the corners of your nose as well, so that way it looks like there's a shadow below your nose. And then go ahead and go in with the Denim Shadow Sense to create even more depth, as if we didn't have enough. And then go ahead and just keep that along the outer edges, and more so creating the deeper shadows of your skeleton's skull. All right, so now you're going to create that hollowed out cheekbone. It almost looks like a sideways thin heart per se. So just do that. I'm doing the outline really lightly so that way I kind of know where I'm going, and then fill that in really well. And you're going to want to make sure that you blend it out well as well. For that part, I am going to touch a little bit of the Seafoam Shimmer Shadow Sense to that same blue brush we've been using and blend out the edges just so that it's not such a harsh line. Okay, so now remove any makeup you got on your lips using Witch Hazel, and then go in with your lip sense. This is Blackberry, and apply it to the glam side of your face. I did do 3 layers of this color, even though you won't see all 3 layers being applied. In the end, you'll see the beautiful, rich color that it is. And I'm going to be making some really silly faces coming up, so don't mind me. Follow that other side up with Skyline and Fire Opal pre-mixed. It was 1 part Skyline to 3 parts Fire Opal, and just apply the 3 layers to that color. I'm not going to apply the gloss just yet because I'm going to apply Shadow Sense over that beautiful blue color, so that way it will stay once I apply the gloss.
Let's do this.
Okay, now go in with the Seafoam Shimmer Shadow Sense. It was the first one you used, and just really blend out the lips a little bit so that way you have that nice base to work with. And go ahead and go in with the Snow Shadow Sense to start creating your teeth. I am going to skip through a lot of the line drawing of this, but you can use just any pointed brush or angled brush, whichever works best for you. I used a pointed brush. And here we are applying the lip gloss so that I can put my lips together and stop hanging out with my mouth open. And now, as you can see, my lips are smudge proof and fudge proof. They are not gonna go anywhere, and it's not on my wand. Look, I showed you. Oh, and did I mention I don't have to make funny faces anymore? Now, I skipped through a lot of the line drawing here because that would have just been really monotonous, but finish off your lines after you finished your lips, and then you will be almost finished.
Just one more thing left. Ready? Okay, so that is the completed look. Eyelashes. You didn't need to see me putting the eyelashes on, so this is it. This is the look. It's my very first Halloween video for 2018. I'm so excited. Halloween is here. I don't know, I kind of dig just that eye look on its own. I'm gonna have to do a glam look just with that. So pretty, but how fun, right? You can't decide what you want to be, skeleton or glam. I created it using all Glam products, and it was a little time consuming, not gonna lie, but I think all in all it turned out pretty good. I am overly critiquing my white lines, and I really hope that Sassy is the right way for you guys. I've really had a hard time with that one because I'm not sure if you guys are going to see it normally or you guys are going to see it backwards. So currently looking in the mirror, I see it backwards, but I may have done it wrong. So don't judge me if it's wrong. Okay? Okay. It's the best I can do. I don't normally do lettering, but I thought sassy would be fun to put on there. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, please put them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Be sure to hit that like, thumbs up button. Thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up, please. I love you forever. And then also make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can be able to see the other videos, and then ding that bell, because if you ding that bell, guess what that does? It notifies you when I put up a new video. So feel free to share and comment and all of the above. I'm really excited about it. Here's Halloween look number 1. And I'm wearing my skeleton shirt to go with it. What do you guys think? Yay? Nay? Huh? Anyway, without further ado, the montage. All right, here we go. That is all. I'll see you soon. Actually, let's start over. And we'll see what happens.